Launching your affiliate website. Here's what you'll learn in this video. How to quickly launch your affiliate website, how to effectively promote your content and reach new customers, the easiest way of stealing traffic from Pinterest and Instagram, quick start launch strategies that will flood your website with targeted fresh traffic. When launching your affiliate website, concentrate on social media-based campaigns. Not only will they be easier to set up, but more affordable and will provide faster results. This includes Facebook boosted posts, Instagram campaigns, and Pinterest promotions. With Facebook marketing, people will share your content and you can easily turn that into a sponsored story that will allow you to increase the reach of your content and generate traffic to your niche affiliate blog. Begin by writing a share-worthy post and boost it. Then create a domain-sponsored story and create additional sponsored ads. With Facebook marketing, you should only ever boost your own content and then focus on boosting posts that are likely to gain the most traction. Use Facebook's grid tool to create ads that are guaranteed to be accepted. When setting up your ad campaigns, choose people you choose through targeting so that you can target your core audience. Pinterest is by far one of the most effective marketing tools in just about any affiliate niche market you can think of. Here are a few tips. Use keywords in your username. The earlier they appear, the more effective they will be. Also, use keywords in your board names and descriptions. And don't forget to give your boards a keyword-based description. When you create pins, be sure to fill out the description field. Then pin on a regular basis. Also, pin other people's content that's received a high number of repins. And remember, your pins will be shown more often if they get a lot of repins, so go through and delete anything that isn't being actively shared. Instagram makes it easy to build a following and drive traffic to your website while building a recognized brand. Start by adding your website's URL in your bio along with relevant hashtags. Choose a general category for your photos, such as humor or culture. And use images to tell a story, making sure it matches the theme of your affiliate site. Then finally, synchronize your Instagram account so that it automatically updates your other social media accounts. With Instagram marketing, you want to create a photo series based around a specific theme that ties into your affiliate campaigns. Also, create contests and giveaways that engage your audience and maximize your exposure. And consider using Statigram in order to keep a pulse on key metrics that will help you better understand your audience and what posts are getting the most exposure. Building a list for unlimited free traffic. Building a list is vital because your list will be the primary source of traffic that will never be able to be taken away from you. You'll also have an active audience at your fingertips that you can connect with whenever you want. It's also one of the easiest ways to position yourself as an expert and authority in your market. Here is the 4-step process. Begin by creating a lead magnet. This is a free offer that encourages people to subscribe to your list. Then subscribe to a service like Lead Pages in order to streamline the process and boost conversion rates. Create a killer squeeze page that captures immediate attention and motivates people into taking action. Then, share your landing page everywhere you can. Here's how to create a killer squeeze page that converts. Start by crafting an attention-grabbing headline. Your headline is one of the most important elements of a successful landing page because it's the first thing your visitors see. Keep your copy to a minimum. Highlight the benefits of joining your list and showcase your incentive offer. Then break down copy into bullet points so it's easy to read. Just remember to keep it focused. Eliminate any external links. Remember, the objective is to persuade your visitors to subscribe to your list. You don't want to distract them or send them off to internal pages. Keep it focused. Also, include a strong call to action. Tell your visitor exactly what they need to do to join your list. Offer an irresistible freebie in exchange for their name and email address. Create something fresh and new that can't be found anywhere else. Here are a few traffic tactics to help you launch your affiliate website. Make sure your content is easy to share. Use social media plugins that encourage your readers to share your posts. Give your visitors the option of saving your blog posts into PDF format so they can read them later or share them. I use postgopher.com to do this. Quote authority blogs in your niche so they link back to you. Create interactive videos and post them to YouTube and Dailymotion. And build your own social network and share your content everywhere. You'll also want to use tools like Buffer that will help you automate the process of social sharing and will update all of your social accounts every time you post new content. And also, don't overlook sites like Tumblr and Flipboard. They have over 80 million users at your disposal. Make sure to create a Facebook page and group to reach new readers and customers, and participate in forums relating to your niche. When you have time, guest post on authority websites and tap into their existing base of readers. And post your content on the leading information networks, such as dig.com. Here is your traffic generation checklist. Share on all social media communities. Integrate an opt-in form and squeeze page in order to begin building your mailing list. Guest blog on established websites and authority sites in your niche. Create interactive and engaging videos and post them to YouTube. Use Flipboard to generate fresh traffic easily. Create a Facebook page and boost posts that link back to your blog, and post your content on information networks like Dig.